Hello, I'm Madeleine, commonly known as Mad. I'm mother of Gentle Harmonies, and today I'd like to talk to you about how to cleanse your crystals. As a crystal therapist of many years, so many people have always asked crystals, how do I empower them, how do I cleanse them? So I'm just going to give you a couple of tips today. And I brought some of my friends with me. This is selenite, which is a beautiful, very high-powered crystal. Not a good idea. A lot of people say, oh, would you just put them in water? No. This is very low on the Mohs scale, which is a hardness scale. It's like talcum powder. So if you put that in water, it'll probably melt, which is not a good idea. This is labradorite. This is a clear quartz crystal angel. A rose quartz, which is always very popular. Amethyst, beautiful healing stone. Another clear quartz, just a different shape. And one of my favourites, amber. So how do you cleanse them then if you can't wash them? Basically, one of the best ways of cleansing them is if you wait for a really nice, clear, moonlit sky. Get all your crystals, if you can, on a windowsill where you know the moonlight's going to come in. Just lay them there. Moonlight is brilliant because it's a natural, very feminine, nurturing energy. So it's exactly what your crystals will need. Just leave them there overnight. They'll be quite happy. But don't forget in the morning to take them in before midday because the noon or afternoon sun is very negative. It's a very strong, powerful energy. Another way, which is a reason why I've brought this lady in, or more crystal quartz in. Crystal quartz is the only type of crystal that you can actually program, if you will. It's like a little computer. And what the others just do their own thing, what they're born to do, where they came from, what their coloration is, and so forth. But with clear quartz, you can actually gather your crystals around, put your clear quartz, even if it's a smaller size, it doesn't matter. Even if it's a tumble size, it doesn't matter. They have no size, their energy is their energy, and that's it. So you could program it and ask it in whichever way you wish, whether you want to connect to the divine or whoever you connect to the light, to the spirit, your choice. And you just ask it simply to please cleanse the crystals that it's around it. And then you just put it in the middle of your crystals. You just leave it on a table overnight and it'll do its job. They're very clever. That's it, simply. So I hope that's helped in a little way. There's comments at the end of this, so I'd really like it if you made a comment on there to say, look, I'd really like this how-to video as well. Whatever it is, we'll try and help you. Okay, thanks for your time. Speak to you soon. Bye now. Bye.